Well, I'm on the Slope Angel stand with Jerry. Jerry, tell us about your new product.
Oh, great. Well, this is a new Slope Angel Halo, and we've designed it so that it can click on and click off a ski pole, but it has 5 main attributes. The first one being that it tells you the time, so you can just take your gloves off, don't have to get your phone out, you can tell the time. The next one, it tells you the temperature, the ambient air temperature, 21 degrees, or then in Fahrenheit for the US market. The next thing it will do is it'll give you a slope angle. And that's really cool, being on a ski pole, because you can lay it on a slope and then easily measure the slope angle. Anything over 30 degrees, you need to be careful, and that's where all your avalanche training comes into play. The last thing that it does, it gives you the altitude. But one of the most important is that with a transceiver checker, you can just check it and make sure that it's working. So I can then also check the transceiver on you and me, and away we can go.
That's a fantastic device. Really like the look of that. Jerry, thank you so much for explaining it, and best of luck.
Thank you very much.